I've been dancing with shadows, I don't let them see. Carrying thunder underneath my heartbeat. Every lie I've been told tried to make me small, but something in me never learned how to fall. I've been holding my breath in the dark, waiting for the moment it sparks. If this pain is a language I speak, then this is the sound of me. This is what it sounds like when the fear finally breaks, when the quiet turns violent and the truth starts to shake. This is what it sounds like when our eyes win our fight. Every scar sings louder when the silence ignites. This is what it sounds like. I was taught how to bend, never taught how to burn. Told the fire was dangerous, lessons unlearned. But I feel it inside me, a storm in my chest. If I'm standing, you're shaking, I'm not finished yet. They said know your place, so I carved out my own. Built a kingdom from bruises and bones. Every tear that I swallowed came back as a scream. Now the world's gonna hear what it did to me. I've been counting the cracks in my skin. Everyone is a place I begin. If this pain is a language I speak, then listen, this is me. This is what it sounds like when the fear finally breaks, when the quiet turns violent and the truth starts to shake. This is what it sounds like when our eyes win our fight. Every scar sings louder when the silence ignites. This is what it sounds like. I'm the seven fish. I'm not lost, I'm reborn. Every echo they left in my bones turn into a war cry on. Say my name like a warning, say my name like a flame. If this is the moment I change, then remember my face. Find us what it sounds like when I don't disappear, when the voice in my chest is louder than fear. This is what it sounds like.